this is a simple drink what you can make before you go to your bed at night. All right. Now, I went to the supermarket and I saw this bedtime tea right here. As you can see it for yourself, it's not a lot inside of it. It got about 10 in it. Right. So this bedtime tea is just basically herbs, which is very good for you. Just gonna put it into my glass, as you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. If you go to any health herb shop, you want to get this one. All right, bedtime drink, hot drink, very very good for you to drink before you go to your bed at night. And what you want to do, pour some hot water in it. Me personally, I normally put a slice of a lemon in mine. Alright. The beautiful thing is with this drink, it is better for you to drink it before you go to your bed at night. Alright. What I'm gonna do, sometimes I just put something like this and steam it for a minute. Alright, but it is better for you to drink this before you go to your bed at night. It's a very very good detoxing and cleansing of the body tea right here. Alright. But as I say, you can go to any local shop or supermarket and look for this word, bedtime. It's very good for you. It got all different kind of herbs in it, and it just give you a perfect relaxing, cleansing, and you know what I mean, yeah, of the body. So, and not only that, it got a lot of different kind of mixture of herbs in it, which is also very very good for you. All right. But as I said, go to your local shop or your supermarket and you can get this one to buy. All right. A beautiful one for you to try at home. All right. Beautiful. And an amazing drink to make. All right. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is it right here. So you want to drink this before you go to your bed at night. All right. You can't drink it in the day. It is specific for a bedtime drink, guys. So as I said, you can go to any local shop. All right. If you go to the local shop and you see this one said bedtime, this is from the herb health. This is from the herb health shop, guys. You have to go to the health shop to get this one. All right. Very very good for you. All right. I just cannot show the name, but look for this word. It said bedtime tea, detoxing and cleansing of the body. It got a lot of different kind of stuff in it, a lot of different kind of herbs, and a lot of different things in it. It keep it to relax and very good for you to drink before you go to your bed at night. Right, just gonna pour it in that. Very hot, so I'm just gonna try it. That is amazing. I like beautiful. All right, I've been drinking this over the last 3 nights, and I decided to share with you tonight. All right, so yeah, here it goes, guys. As you can see, beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and if I get any more ideas, I will definitely share with you. All right, as you can see, bedtime drink from Chef Ricardo today. Just share with you. Drink before you go to bed at night. If not, you can get yourself some lemon and squeeze it into a glass, hot water, and you can drink it also before you go to your bed at night. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.